Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic, and today I'm going to show you how you can balance your own wheels. This is a rear wheel. There is a new tire onto it. This is the tool that I made myself. I got lead, but it isn't lead anymore. Come on over and let's start. First, I'm gonna show you how smooth it runs on those 4 ball bearings. Over here is my stopwatch. I give it a spin. And then we say start. Okay, it ran for 2 minutes 10 seconds. Now, I put a piece of what is it? Tape at the lowest point. Now we're gonna give it a slow spin, just a slow spin, and see where it stops. Should be again over there. There it comes. Okay, it's gonna slowly turn back. I hope you see it. I think. There it is. And it now goes. Yep, it's not, it should be a bit more there. Now let's see. Okay, yeah, perfect. This is my heaviest point, and this is the lightest. So over there, yep. Now, this is, I'm gonna mark it with the yellow one. Now we're gonna first, we're going to give this a clean with some petrol. No, some, I said. Now, this is the lightest point. It's somewhere over there. Then first we're gonna see if, well, perhaps FA5, this is 15. Now, because I'm gonna tape it in like this. Hup, hup. So. Now, we're gonna give it a little spin and see if we need more. Yep, we need more. Goes a little bit. No, so I'm gonna put another fiver and I'm gonna put it on the other side. And in a moment I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna do that. So, up. Again, 5 grams. And then slowly rotate it. Normally you can do this in really no time, but for the sake of making a video about it, it takes a bit longer. And I got all the time in the world. I got more time than money. Let's see. This was the lightest point. The heaviest, sorry. This was the heaviest point. It stops over there and it runs. So it was over there now. And let's see if it's now sort of random. And keep in mind, this is the rear wheel. The rear wheel is not as critical to balance as the front wheel. But we treat it as a front wheel. You know me, eh? Now it stops here. First we're gonna mark it a bit. This was the center. And I got a total of 4. See? And 1 over here. And what I always hate, can't help it, is those huge, hey, denk eraan hè, hier, dus, is those huge stripes of weight. So I'm going to divide it. 2 on this side and 2 on the other side of the rim. So it's nice black that one, and over there. Okay, and then what do I got? These are the other two, and I come on that side. So give it a good press. Okay. So guys, that was my video about balancing the rear wheel of a Kawasaki Z1000, but it works for every rear wheel, with a beamer, with a big hole. But when you have an axle, it's easy. Also for the front wheel, it saves you some money, and it's fun to do too. I hope to see you the next time, and if you like my video, I really would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for that. And for now, Old Mechanic.